Ever stared up at a fighter jet and wondered, why those razor-sharp triangular wings? It's not just to look cool, trust me, that distinctive delta shape is the result of decades of engineering, combat demands, and a whole lot of physics. Today, I'm breaking down the secrets behind the triangle. And why fighter jets would be lost without it. Let's rewind. After Dubai, aviation was changing fast. Jet engines arrived and suddenly the name of the game was speed. But as pilots pushed aircraft near Mach 1, things got ugly. Straight wings, perfect for propeller planes, became a liability. Drag shot up, control vanished, and wings sometimes just snapped clean off. To break the sound barrier, a new approach was needed. Enter the delta wing. Imagine a triangle slapped onto a jet. That's essentially the idea. A wide, swept-back wing, inspired by Greek D, designed to handle the shockwaves piling up at high speed. Pioneers like Alexander Lippisch and the Dassault team realized that the triangle could slice through the wall of air that forms at supersonic speeds. The sharply angled edges push shockwaves away, reducing drag. Suddenly, pilots weren't fighting against the air. They were cutting straight through it. But why does the triangle work so well? First off, the leading edge is swept back, so those nasty shockwaves form later. The broad surface creates loads of lift and keeps things stable, especially when pulling high G turns. Structurally, it's as tough as they come, because there are fewer moving parts to break under stress. And then, there's the vortex lift. At low speeds or sharp climbs, air spins off the leading edge, sticking the jet to the sky even at wild angles. Ever seen a Mirage 2000 pull a near vertical turn? That's the triangle for you. Of course, nothing's perfect. Delta wings are a bit rubbish at low speeds. They burn more fuel, need longer runways, and without some clever computers or extra surfaces, they can be a handful to land. Early jets, like the Convair F-102, had a nightmare with this, but as tech improved, digital controls, canards, and smarter designs, the triangle got smarter, not just faster. The result? Legends like the Mirage 3, Concorde, and the SR-71 Blackbird. Each one used delta wings to push the boundaries, whether it was breaking records, out-turning opponents, or cruising at twice the speed of sound. Today you'll spot evolved delta wings on jets like the Rafale and Typhoon, often paired with canards for even more agility. These combos let pilots pull insane moves, balancing speed with razor-sharp control. Supersonic stability meets subsonic dogfighting, the best of both worlds. So, next time you see a fighter jet carving across the sky, remember, that triangle isn't just a wing, it's the product of human ingenuity, a symbol of how engineering, physics, and a bit of daring can change the very shape of flight. That's the secret behind the fighter jet's triangular wing. Thanks for watching.